Hello again. Today we have iPhone 15 Pro. The LCD has crack on top here, as you can see. So the customer just dropped it off. We need to change the LCD for him. We'll go through this process step by step. Just we are putting the phone in the heating plate to soften the glue around the LCD inside. So we just took out the iPhone from the heating plate. So now for the second things we need to do is to remove these two screws in the bottom. So with this tool, we lift up the LCD from the chassis. It's very helpful. If you have iPhone screen broken, or you need a new battery, or liquid damage, we do motherboard repair here in the store. And we do charging port. We do all this repair. So this is inside the phone. So now we'll take out all the screws in the plate. You need about three screwdrivers, three different screwdrivers in order to change the screen on an iPhone. Now we'll remove the sensor. Now we will remove the screws, cover the sensor for the Face ID. We'll put it a little bit on the heat as well, or no need. It's still warm. You have to be very careful here. Here we go. The customer asked for OLED LCD. There are different quality of the screens. We have all of them. If you need aftermarket, if you need OLED, or even if you need Apple original one, we can arrange it for you. So we'll put the bracket back with the Face ID sensor. Let us test it before we install it. So Face ID is still working. All this green. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel, and share it with anyone interested in changing the screen or battery or charging port. So now we need to just add sealing and put the screen back, and that's it. Thank you. See you next video.